Now to a story we've been covering closely, America's water crisis. We learned today about another city in Michigan warning residents of high levels of lead in their water. The town of Hamtramck in Detroit joins Benton Harbor and Flint as just the latest place to have dangerous drinking water. We went to Capitol Hill to get answers and find out why Congress has been slow to act and slow to help communities like Benton Harbor, Michigan, the predominantly black town where thousands of residents have water contaminated with lead. Omar Villafranca was there last week.
What water do you use to cook?
The bottled water.
To brush your teeth?
Bottled water.
Bathe?
Bottled water.
Thank you for having me. Michigan Congresswoman Rashida Tlaib has been pushing to get more money to fix the problem. We talked to the mayor of Benton Harbor. He said they need help now.
Yeah, and you know, I tell him I feel it. I'm here and I'm moving with a sense of urgency.
In her state, more than 3 in 4 kids tested have detectable levels of lead in their blood. If I'm a parent in your state, I'm like, what's Congress doing? Why are you taking so long?
Yeah. And I think that's why when you talk to my residents and they're saying, we get it, you get it, Rashida, but what's going on with the rest of them? Don't they know this is happening? And that's where the frustration comes in.
Frustration because Tlaib doesn't think there's enough money in the bipartisan infrastructure plan to replace all of America's lead pipes.
We know when we see $15 billion only in the bipartisan infrastructure bill, we saw who put that together. We saw the folks that don't look like us that put that together. And when we talk about equitable distribution, $15 billion is not going to get us closer to that.
I mean, it will not help black and brown communities.
It isn't. It's communities like ours that continue to be left behind. But we know with more funding, we have a better chance.
So you're putting more money for lead pipes in the Build Back Better plan?
Yes, another $30 billion, which gets us closer to truly getting lead out of water.
Well, it would cost an estimated $60 billion to replace all lead service lines in the U.S. And the EPA, they say 6 to 10 million homes across the country have those lead pipes. We'll continue to watch how Congress acts.